dumpster rental service in La Vergne, Tennessee. Looking for reliable dumpster rental services in La Vergne, Tennessee? Trash Pandy LLC has you covered. We offer convenient and affordable dumpster rentals for all your cleanup needs. Whether you're working on a home renovation, cleaning out the garage, or handling a construction project, we provide the right dumpster size to make waste disposal easy and efficient. At Trash Pandy LLC, we understand that every project is different, which is why we offer a variety of dumpster sizes, ranging from smaller options for household junk removal to larger containers for construction debris. Our team ensures quick delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without worrying about waste removal. We pride ourselves on customer satisfaction, providing top-notch service with timely deliveries and transparent pricing. Need help selecting the right dumpster size or have questions about our services? Our friendly staff is here to assist you. Call Trash Pandy LLC today at 615-200-0865 to book your dumpster or to get more information. Let us help you keep your project organized and free of clutter. Trust Trash Pandy LLC for dependable and affordable dumpster rental services in La Vergne, Tennessee. Visit our website or give us a call to get started today.